When we start trading the market, we focus on the returns, how much money we make. But after a point of time, we understand it is risk. Risk is everything. A good trader always focus on risk. Remember, कभी-कभी जीतने के लिए हारना पड़ता है और हार के जीतने वाले को ट्रेडर कहते हैं.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Before moving on, guys, as we saw in the earlier videos, LearnApp has curated free personal finance course just for you. To access the free course, click the link in the description, sign up with LearnApp and enjoy your free personal finance course. Remember, any trade you take in market has the risk of not working. Be it technical analysis, fundamental analysis, price action, indicator, your intuition, guts, your friends and insider news, anything doesn't work. How to deal with it? We should approach the market probabilistically. That is, every time you take a trade, you need to understand this trade may fail and it is bound to fail. And when we understand it, we tend to follow a set of rules. And when we follow a set of rules properly, that type of trading is called system trading. Dr. William Edward Deming, an American statistician, says, "In God we trust, others must bring data." So with the help of data, we backtest our trading system and we find the market edge. That is, we find whether this set of rules which we have defined is working in the market conditions. The rules which we have defined should have a meaningful returns. That is, the rule should have made money in bull market, bear market, sideways market for years. And that's how we find the market edge. Now we need a position sizing strategy as per our capital. And that is where the real game begins. How we manage our capital defines what kind of trader or investor are we. Imagine we have a capital of 1 lakh and our trading system has given an entry. Should we take all our 1 lakh and put that in a single trade? No, please don't do that. Every system comes with a losing streak, drawdown, win rate, risk reward ratio, capital requirement, margin requirement, which gives us instructions to follow the position sizing strategy to deploy. After we have figured out the capital allocation part, now we need to follow the system with discipline and have a psychology to deal with the drawdown. What does discipline and psychology mean? Discipline is managing your capital, taking every single trade your system gives and following the rules properly. That is the entry, stop loss, target rules clearly. Trading a system would be very demanding. There would be series of losses and there would be huge drawdowns. And what defines a trader is he needs to follow the system irrespective of the losses he sees, irrespective of the drawdowns he sees in the system. And that's how we become a trader. So guys, now we saw we should enter the market with longer term perspective and we shouldn't look at temporary losses. So guys, if you are looking for trading system with proper backtested data, do check out LearnApp.com. We have amazing strategies and you guys would be wanting to watch it. Like mean reversion strategy, Nifty, Bank Nifty, option buying and writing strategies. Also guys, as discussed earlier, click the link in the description for the free personal finance course curated just for you. Guys, to see more trading related content, do like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.